You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases, particularly used in French, but it comes from Latin, so we need to look at the French pronunciation, Latin pronunciation, and English. French pronunciation first. Ad vitam æternam, ad vitam æternam. In Latin, ad vitam æternam. English pronunciation, ad vitam æternam or æternam, or ad vitam æternam. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.